नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं बोल इंडिया न्यूज और मैं हूं आपके साथ मीना गंधर्व। आगे भी ऐसे वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my distinct pleasure to welcome you to the momentous occasion as Larix unveils its newest jewel in Dubai's real estate crown, Zaira Vista. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! My name is himself, Arbaz Khan.
Thank you.
Arbaz, how does it feel to be here in Dubai?
It's great. It's wonderful to be here in Dubai. It's always I love this place. I love this. Like a home away from home. It's like my second home, And I love coming here at any given opportunity. And then when there's occasion like this, it makes it even more exciting because Mr. Sagar, Mr. Kabir, and Mr. Samad,
Thank you.
they are part of this incredible project, which looks like a dream project. When I just saw the layouts and I saw everything, how it's being presented, it looks like a very unique project in the kind of concept that it has. And the fact that I'm invited here to be at one of its kind of a presentation, I'm like quite excited and happy. And it's really good fun. People from all over the world get excited about being in Dubai, and I'm no different. So, and the only good part is that one, it's closer to where I live, so it's like a home away from home. Within the same day you can travel in and out of Dubai, and it's happened in the past also. I've come in the morning, finished my work, and gone back at night. So that's such an amazing part of having such a great city so close to where I live. So apart from that, over the years we've seen Dubai, just grow in so many aspects, in so many facets. And that's the beauty about Dubai, because I remember coming to Dubai like 20 years back, okay? The first, maybe a little longer than that, maybe 30 years back. And ever since I've been coming, every time that I made a trip to Dubai, within a matter of 3 months or 6 months, I've seen something different.
Yeah.
Like, either it's the flyover or a road or a mall or some kind of entertainment place. It's amazing facilities, amazing things happening, and they keep innovating, keep changing, keeping updated with the world. So it's such a amazing place. It's like really like an oasis in the desert kind of. It's such a beautiful thing. So
5 favorite places of yours.
please,
5 favorite places of
I
yours.
don't
Must
get
say
me there. I think I like all of Dubai.
Must say the
honestly.
Varsad as well.
Yeah. Now I think
Varsad
yeah.
has been there.
Yeah.
Has it?
Yes.
100%?
Yeah.
5. Lovely.
There are many more. I wouldn't want to just keep it at 5. Yeah.
Okay. Then, like now we open up for some press questions. I'm asking you a lot, but all of them have been waiting for you with
Yeah.
bated breath. So let's go. Anyone? Please, questions for the whole team here. We want to hear what you think and maybe ask them questions. Anyone?
Sheikh from Gulfi TV. My question for you, sir. Actually, market. This is an international market in UAE. So, how you compete the prices and quality and be on time? You have any plans?
Yes, we do have a plan, and as per our product come with the best payment plan and with the post handover. And our product is something different, which as someone told us, in Varsan, nobody give us that type of product which we are giving, like best affordability plus best amenities within a quality, within a time, and the area we choose in Varsan, because Varsan is something where is still, there is boom, which is going to be, there's some boom still, So Varsan, and there's also metro line is coming in Varsan.
That's why.
So, but there is some space in Varsan to, increase the prices. That's why I chosen Varsan, and I believe that we will get the good response.
माने यहाँ पे आप आते रहते हैं, यहाँ पे देखते हैं दुबई के अंदर बहुत सारे लोग इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो क्या समझते हैं कि यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करने के लोगों को जो फायदे हैं वो किस हद तक है?
तो एक तो जो रियल एस्टेट यहाँ ओवर द इयर्स दिखा है कि इट हैज ओनली बिकम बेटर. पीपल हैव व्हाटएवर जो उन्होंने सालों में इन्वेस्ट किया उनको उसके बेनिफिट्स मिले हैं. प्रॉफिट्स हैव गॉन. They've made profits out of the investments that they've done because everything has just gone up. Everything is like been profitable to them, So plus, like I said, the quality of life is so much better. The facilities or the kind of environment and everything, the infrastructure. So it's value for money that you invest money over here. And then over a period of time, if you're an investor, you'll end up even making money on that. So not only if you want to use it for your stay, if you look at it from an investment point of view also, it has been proved over the years that if you stay put in the market here, you will end up making money.
ऐसे वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।